Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. So today I am just doing a Euphoria makeup tutorial on my lovely model and best friend Peyton.
Hello.
So yeah, we're just gonna be doing like a periwinkle pearl eye thing. It's like this one right here. It's so pretty. And yeah, we're just gonna get into the video, so keep watching.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Thank you. I love that move.
The down.
What? Sorry if I sneeze a lot throughout this video, guys. I have the worst allergies in the world right now. Look at my face. In the light. I don't know what's happening. I just like cleaned out my closet and I think there's mold in it or something and I'm truly dead inside.
It's affecting you.
I'm such a guru. Alright, so I'm gonna start with doing her hair since I'm a sneezy mess and I'm waiting for my allergy medicine to kick in. They look so good.
Do they?
Excuse me? They look so cute.
Okay. Alright, dry.
Alright, this hair is done. I'm gonna put some pearls in it. But first I'm gonna wash my hands, so I'll be right back. Okay, can you put your head like... You don't have to like put your body down, just put your head like down, yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna put some little pearly girls that I got in her hair. Okay, I'm gonna do your eyeshadow first, then foundation, because she might have a spillage. Okay, first thing I'm doing is adding a base. I'm just using the Boi-ing concealer. So I'm gonna start off with this oh my god, I'm so bad at this. I'm gonna start off with this Periwinkle. So I'm going, this is like a little palette from when I was like 5. Not really, but it's like one of those cheapy little Ulta palettes, you know?
It has a lot of colors in it.
It does, but I'm just taking like the light purples and mixing them and using that to blend. So now I'm going and taking this really, okay, this really light, wow, it looks so washed out, but it's a really light blue. And I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner.
Oh my god,
What?
a pearl just fell. I was like...
So now we're gonna do brows.
Fun.
I'm truly actually dying so hard right now of allergies. You guys wouldn't even believe it. Now I'm gonna go in and use this ColourPop. Oh my gosh, that's so bright. There. This ColourPop shade in the shade Ripple. And I'm just gonna use my finger, my pinky.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
This is what it looks like. It's very iridescent and pretty. now I'm using this black kohl liner. It's like a sparkly one from ELF, and I'm just gonna put that lightly on the waterline.
Oh, inside the eye?
No, like
On your lash line, but you just have to be very... So now that that's done, I'm gonna do the cat eye. Oh, you're gonna hate this.
Okay kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing mascara. That's it. Imagine I just have this full look and I'm like, and all I'm doing is mascara. This is me naturally.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna put on some lashes. If you want to get close and show the eye. Maybe a little further back. Okay, close. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour with Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna use
I'm
the
gonna
dark
use-
shade to contour. Okay, so now we're gonna bronze with this stuff. What is this? Too Faced?
And it smells like chocolate.
I'm gonna use this blush from Becca Cosmetics. I'm such a good YouTuber. It's translucent powder ready. Look up. Now, I'm gonna line her lips using this lip liner from MAC in this shade Chicory. For lipstick, I'm going to use the shade Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh, she's a beautiful nude. Go like,
What am I doing? She's wearing a gloss in the picture.
Yeah, I'm going to put gloss on just because I want to. I'm going to use this one from Revlon. It's just a nice pretty nude. I think it's the shade Supernatural. Makes sense. Alright, now I'm just gonna add inner corner highlight. I'm gonna use that really shiny, bright color in the corner. Now I think it's time for pearls, no? Right? Woo-hoo! Alright, so now we're gonna add the pearls. I look so like dull compared to you.
Cause I'm like full glam right now.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna add some finishing pearls throughout her hair.
Can I open it?
Yeah. And we'll be done. Look at this snow.
I'm so tired. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial. It's also a little inspired by the Rodarte, I think is how you say it. Rodarte. That whole shoot with like Lily Reinhardt and everything. I decided to put some like more pearls in her because I just thought it was so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye.